Tim Evans of Crack Your Racer, and I'm training Tony from El Paso, Texas, and he works for a fleet company down there. They were buying a lot of windshields, so he thought maybe training to do windshield repair and then doing their fleet instead of hiring that out would save him some money. So tell us why you decided to do this, Tony.
Well, I run the maintenance division over in El Paso, and I decided, well, maybe we can repair a lot more than we replace, save some extra money for the company, and pitched it to my boss, and they said sure. So here I am now today.
And how many windshields have you bought so far this year? How much does it cost?
We're up to over 4,000.
4,000. And you've got 20 trucks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, so I think this is going to work for him. He's been really easy trained, great to work with. And I'm thinking there's other fleets that could do the same thing. It was actually your idea,
Yes,
you
sir.
told me. So he approached him and said, hey, we could save money by fixing our own windshields. And the company you have now doesn't do cracks, right? They just fix the chips.
Yeah, they just do chips. So
yeah,
I figured maybe we could
do that.
get a longer life out of the window, the windshield that we replace.
Because you're changing monthly sometimes, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, so and what do you think of the training so far? You think you can do it when you go back home?
Definitely. Yeah. I'll start throwing rocks at people.
I love it. Well, Tony, it's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Sir. Appreciate
If
it.
more people that own fleets want to save some money and are willing to send people over to training, well, I think we can probably help them do that. And we also have an online training course too, and that for your overseas or something. Anyway, for more information, go to crackerracer.com and learn about our training programs. Thank you. This is Tim Evans, Crack Your Racer.